I remember practicing hours on end at Wankhede Stadium, and as and when we asked for our nets to be available and quality wickets, the ground staff, the committee, everyone went out of their way to make sure that the best facilities were provided to us. I remember landing from New Zealand. We were in New Zealand, and I landed at 2:30 a.m. And the very next morning, we were playing Ranji Trophy match. And I turned up and I played that match. But that wasn't because anyone had forced me to play. It was out of love. It came from within, and I cared about Mumbai cricket. So I feel an organization which has given us the platform to realize our dreams. It is only fair that we reciprocate that. I took a lot of joy in doing that. And at the same venue, now that the statue is being installed, it's a tribute by MCA to me. I have in my career, or whatever I've heard of cricket in many decades, I don't think there is any batter who's played this game has scored runs without a non-striker. You need non-striker. And in my career also, there have been many non-strikers. And I would start from my cricketing heroes. I hadn't even started playing, but I watched them on television. I got inspired. From them to the last ball that I played for India. And while I did that, there were a number of cricketers who played with me. Started with Mumbai players. Nilesh is here, a number of Mumbai players. Praveen is here. Quite a few players that I played with. Without their support and their contribution, I would not have been able to last 24 years for India. So, on this special evening, I would like to dedicate this to all the cricketers who've played with me, and not just played with me, but they have also inspired millions across the globe. I think it is everyone's hard work which takes the game forward. And that is our ultimate goal. How can we keep cricket protected and get more eyeballs to the game? Fantastic news where cricket has been now included in the Olympics. So, another opportunity for us to get the gold medal. 2013 was the most emotional day on the field of my life, where I clearly remember the last over that I was batting against the West Indies. First they started on the mega screen with showing my mother there, and I am actually trying to focus. I'm saying that, okay, last 6 balls, focus, stay there, and suddenly I see my mother on mega screen, that my brother, Anjali, family, everyone. And I felt like, I'm trying to survive there. ये channel का जो director है वो West Indies के लिए खेल रहा है या India के लिए खेल रहा है? Because he was somewhere trying to engage all the crowd, my family, and then me there while playing for India. My last match wasn't easy, but we all have these moments in life where you look back and they only give you a reason to smile. But the happiest day, without any doubt, was in 2011 when we lifted that beautiful trophy. And that was the reason my career started. When I saw in 1983 India lifting that trophy at Lord's, I said, I want to do that. And to happen at the home venue, home country, home venue, this special ground, couldn't have been anything better. I couldn't have asked for more, couldn't have even dreamt of doing something like this. And that somewhere, the journey started in 2007. I don't think I've heard that, nothing happens right now. You can either have it right or you can have it now. So it does take time. So my preparation for 2011 World Cup started in 2007. A lot was discussed about my captaincy. The real reason for turning down captaincy was that my body was giving me a lot of trouble. And I remember having that meeting with Mr. Pawar in England. It was before the Oval match. And he said, according to me, you should take the leadership role. And I said, sir, my leadership role as a player will always be there. Only the captain tag won't be there in front of me, but whatever in my capacity, till I hang up my boots, I will always give my 100% for the country. But at this point of time, I don't think I can last the whole day. I have to come inside all the time because both my ankles were giving me trouble. And I was fighting very hard. Both my ankles strapped up. Every now and then I had to go back to the dressing room, unstrap my ankles, ice them, re-strap them and go back on the field. So a lot of challenges, and that was the reason I said I shouldn't be, but I have a suggestion. I'm going to suggest you a name who I feel has a good cricketing brain, because I used to interact quite a bit with MS Dhoni. I would field in the slips, and that's how this happened, and the rest is history.